Hello, I'm Andrea Barker. I work for Lincolnshire Care in Links on the Workforce Development team.
And I'm Debbie and I work with Andrea.
And today we're going to be showing you how to use the Whzan digital health box for your remote monitoring. So now we're going to take Debbie's temperature. Are you happy for me to do that?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So first of all, we put a disposable cap over the top, and that's for hygiene purposes, and they are individual use. When you put the cap on, it switches the device on for you. So I'm now going to put that in Debbie's ear. You don't push it too hard in there, but it does need to be in the ear. And then the round button, just press that once. It starts flashing and the device is reading it.
Your temperature is 36.9 degrees Celsius. Your reading has been recorded.
So that's now on the device. You don't need to do anything else there. But the disposable cap, you have a little button at the top, and just mind where this goes. You just push that and it flicks off. And then obviously that would be disposed of. And then you store that back in the device there. So now we've recorded all of Debbie's observations. They're on the device. Just to let you know, you are fine.
I'm fit and healthy.
But the key element of your remote monitoring, digital monitoring, is to know when to escalate any concerns. So the past readings are all there. There may be some of the readings are set to alert you to the fact that it's either lower or higher than it should be. But the main thing is to know when to escalate the concerns.